Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. I'd like us to start analysis with the chart on the screen. So, you remember yesterday we were looking for sell positions. Euro USD, we had a very good downtrend, as you can see. So, we had the price being below this below this upper moving average, and at the same time, the price was kept giving us lower highs on the daily time frame. So we said that as long as the price does not clearly ascend and close above the in a very good downtrend. So as we're speaking now, despite the fact that the price is moving upwards, we are actually still focusing on a sell, especially while the price is below this level here. So as long as we don't above this level, this should be a very ideal place to look for sell from. We don't expect the price to move above this moving average, but if that should happen, then we are still going to be looking for a sell position at least up to this point here, up to this moving average, these two lines. The next chart is GBP USD. So with the GBP USD so far, we were expecting the same thing which we had on the daily time frame. So we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a break below, so we have a resistance. If the price can move up and touch these two lines, then these are going to be the best place to look for a sell from. So the idea here will basically be to watch for price around this level here. Watch for price around this level, or if the price continues upwards, then the next place to look for a sell from is around this level here. So basically, you either sell it when the price gets to this point, or you may wait and sell it when the price gets to these two lines here. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This chart has been upwards. We've seen price continue to the upper side. If you check the daily chart, you can see that the price is in a very good uptrend. So based on the daily time frame, we are still looking for buy positions. We want to see price either pull back up to this line. This is a very good support, or the price may ascend beyond this line, which is this is what line? Just a second. This is 140. This is 150.00. So if the price can ascend above this line, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. If the price pulls back down and touches this line, then this should give us the best place to look for a buy from. So based on the moving average, we are upwards. Based on this indicator, we are still upwards, and what we are looking for now is just a very good buy. So my next chart is gold. Gold so far, we are looking, this is a downtrend. You can see it based on this indicator. Based on the two indicators we're having, we are looking for some sell positions, but only if the price descends and closes below this level here. So that is a very good support, where should the price clearly descend and close below it, then that will be a place to continue to look for a sell position from below this line. Or if the price pulls back up and touches the line we have at the top, this will be a good place to sell from. Or if the price breaks below this level, then this will also be a good place to look for a sell from. My next chart is the SP500. So I keep mentioning here every day that on this chart we were expecting the buyers to be in complete control, but for some reasons, instead of price going upwards, it keeps pulling back to the lower side. It keeps pulling back to the lower side. It keeps pulling back to the lower side, but we are still looking for buy position because we consider that this year's move to the low side is actually just a pullback. If you check the monthly chart, you can see that the price is actually pulled back significantly. This is almost like 20% retracement based on the overall move. So we may take this as a pullback. Come next year, we are still expecting this chart to continue upwards, especially while the price is above this level here. So you may look for buy positions from within these two lines, expecting the buyers to push price upwards at least up to this point here. My next chart is Brent oil. With Brent oil so far, as I mentioned yesterday, we are looking for buy position when the price gets to this point here. So when that happens, then this will be the ideal place to look for a buy from, at least up to this point here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We're going to meet again on Monday at the same time. Thank you and see you.